This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete multiple sheets at a time in Google Sheets. Here I have a Google Sheet with multiple sheets inside of it, and I've just changed the color of the table so that you can tell that they are different. Let's suppose I want to get rid of all of the sheets that occur after sheet 1. Start by pressing the first sheet that you want to delete, then press the Shift key on your keyboard, then select the last sheet that you want to delete. Then you right-click on any of the sheets that you selected, then select Delete. When you do this, you'll get a warning, and if you are okay with deleting those, then select OK. And now all of those sheets are gone. Suppose that you want to get rid of certain sheets that aren't in a particular order. You can't use the shift function because it's going to highlight everything that's between the sheets that you want to delete. So let's say I want to delete sheet 2 and sheet 5. In that case, I would select sheet 2, then select Command or Control, and then select sheet 5. So now only those two sheets that are not next to each other will be deleted when I select that option. Then, as you've done before, right-click one of those selected sheets, then select Delete. Select OK, and now those two sheets are gone. So this video shows you how to delete multiple sheets at a time in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.